Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why I design digitally and why I believe that if you are a landscape designer or looking to become a landscape designer, why you should also get on the digitally designed bandwagon. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, a little bit of art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. And do let me know what you think of this microphone and the audio in the comments below. Now there's something to be said about drawing by hand. It adds a certain something to each of the drawings. Absolutely, it does. But the problem is that when you draw by hand, it takes twice as long as if you were drawing digitally, which means it costs twice as much-ish. I prefer to do everything using a digital drafting program called AutoCAD. It takes me less time to do it. I can lickety-split-ish be able to produce drawings, concept drawings, etc., and be able to produce them very accurately. Also, through drawing digitally, I can make calculations, meaning I could, through the press of a button, calculate how many shrubs there are depending on the different varieties, or calculate linear footages or square footages of different objects and things that I need information about. It makes it much more accurate. It makes it easier in a way, which also makes it so that I could charge more reasonably to the customer than if I was going to draw by hand. Now, I do sometimes color by hand and I sometimes color digitally. It depends on the project and the nature of the project. But, however, if you are a landscape designer and you are interested in becoming self-employed and efficiently running a business, I would highly, highly, highly recommend you use AutoCAD. There is a learning curve in the beginning, but once you learn it, it makes things a million times easier. Trust me.